What if I told you that the world around us is far more dangerous than it looks? Scientists estimate that humans have discovered about 1.6 million species on Earth, but the real number could be close to 1 trillion. That means we know only 0.001% of the creatures sharing this planet with us. And among them, some of the most beautiful animals are also the most deadly. Today, we're counting down 8 creatures you should never touch, never approach, and never underestimate, because one wrong move could be your last. Poison dart frog. Let's start with something small, colorful, almost adorable. The poison dart frog looks like a living jewel. Bright blues, neon yellows, electric greens. But those beautiful colors aren't decoration. They're a warning. This frog doesn't need to bite. It doesn't need to attack. Its skin alone contains toxins powerful enough to stop a human heart. In fact, indigenous hunters once used this poison on blow darts. That's how deadly it is. Lesson 1. In nature, bright colors often mean danger. Cone snail. Next, something hiding in plain sight. Imagine walking along a beach, collecting seashells. You spot a beautiful patterned shell and pick it up. Seconds later, your hand goes numb. You've just met the cone snail. This tiny ocean creature fires a microscopic harpoon loaded with venom. There is no time to react. One cone snail carries enough toxin to kill 20 people. It's called the cigarette snail, because after the sting, you may only have time to smoke 1 cigarette before paralysis begins. Brazilian wandering spider. Now imagine opening your shoe and finding a spider inside. The Brazilian wandering spider doesn't hide in webs. It hunts, it travels, it wanders into homes and cars. A single bite can cause intense pain, paralysis, and eventually suffocation. It's considered one of the most venomous spiders ever recorded. And yes, it really does show up in shoes. Stonefish. Let's move underwater. Picture yourself walking in shallow tropical water. Warm waves, soft sand beneath your feet. Then suddenly, excruciating pain shoots through your leg. You didn't step on a rock, you stepped on a stonefish. Perfectly camouflaged, it looks exactly like the ocean floor. When stepped on, it releases venom in less than a blink. The more pressure you apply, the more poison enters your body. In severe cases, victims may lose limbs or their lives. Black mamba. Most snakes avoid humans, but the black mamba is different, fast, aggressive, and terrifyingly venomous. It can move faster than a human can run, and when threatened, it strikes repeatedly. Without treatment, its venom can shut down the nervous system in minutes, from bite to death. Sometimes less than half an hour. Tsetse fly. Not all killers are large. The tsetse fly looks like an ordinary insect, but it carries a parasite that causes sleeping sickness. The disease attacks the brain and nervous system. Victims slowly fall into confusion, coma, and death. Hundreds of thousands of people die from it every year. Proof that size means nothing in the wild. In the desert lives a creature with a name that says it all, the deathstalker scorpion. Its venom is a powerful neurotoxin. A sting can cause unbearable pain, paralysis, and fatal complications within hours. Even other predators fear it. When survival is this harsh, evolution creates perfection. Box jellyfish. And finally, the ocean's invisible nightmare. The box jellyfish is nearly transparent. You won't see it coming, but its tentacles carry one of the most powerful venoms on Earth. The toxin attacks the heart, skin, and nervous system simultaneously. Victims may go into cardiac arrest before reaching shore. It's silent, invisible, and deadly. Our planet is breathtakingly beautiful, but beauty can hide danger. The deadliest creatures don't always look scary. Sometimes they look harmless. So remember this the next time you explore the wild. Look, admire, respect, but never touch. Because on Earth, survival often depends on distance. Soft pause. Subscribe for more incredible discoveries about our world, and we'll see you in the next adventure.